Valor Series pumps make conquering pumping challenges easier than ever. The mounting feet are extremely versatile, fitting existing Versa-Matic pumps and multiple other manufacturers' dimensions. The muffler element is oversized and protected from the elements for better performance and less noise. The muffler cap and element can be removed to access a threaded port, so the exhaust can be piped away for added safety. For more information, visit www.versamatic.com.